Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup maintenance logs with HomeZada, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up maintenance logs with HomeZada, first, open your HomeZada account. Log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the Maintenance tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Maintenance tab to access your logs. In the Maintenance section, you will see a list of all your maintenance activities. Review the logs to identify which entries you want to back up. Select the specific log entries you wish to back up. Look for the Export option, usually represented by an icon or menu option. Click on the Export option to proceed. Choose the format you would like to export the logs in, such as CSV or PDF. After selecting the format, click the Export button. The system will generate a file for your selected entries. Once the file is ready, it will either download automatically or prompt you to save it. Choose a location on your device where you would like to save the backup file. Click Save to complete the process. Now, you have successfully backed up your maintenance logs from HomeZada. To verify the backup, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Open the file to ensure that all entries have been correctly exported. With your logs backed up, you can now manage your maintenance records with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.